Hello. So we will show and in this first episode say how to proceed if I lose the control file. So what will be the implication? Uh, I have three control files. Let's show them here. Oh, and of course, you know that the control file contains some crucial information like the database structure, the sequences and of reader logs and so on. We want to show what happens if we lose one of the control files. It will be shown very quickly that control files is a spot, single point of failure. So I have always two control files. These are redundant, completely. They are completely what is happening? They are completely redundant and contains completely the same information. But if I lose one of them, then the database will stop. So with Windows, it's a little bit more difficult to delete the open file. So what I could have done more easily on some Unix systems. So I have wrote a little program in Java, and I will erase the one of the control file just like this. I'm putting some dummy text. Successfully wrote the file, and in fact I will delete the contain the whole file containing of whole file. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so now my file is supposed to be corrupted. We will start this. Okay. I have a control file which is indeed very small, so it has been overwritten. If I see here, I go to the fast recovery area, I will use another copy of file which is still good, as we'll see, but it is not enough. Auto backup set on control it is here. You see that it is much bigger than this one, about 10 kilobytes, and this one is only how much? Okay, 64 kilobytes. So it has been overwritten. We shall see the reaction immediately. Okay, the control files are still there. Oh no, already lost. It happens sometimes. You will be able to issue this statement, select file, and of course the database is been shut down because of the corruption. And if we see when we see the log file, the alert file, we see what is happening here. Just a moment. And let's see and then and then the not this one. Directory and then RDBMS directory. This, of course, and then I will go to the alert file. No, not this one, but this one, the trace file. Trace file, and what it says. It is saying that something went wrong, and I can see it here. Of course, oh, it is in French, but there is a altered block inside the control file, and the instance is terminated. Okay, so Now, if I want to do startup, let's see what happens. Okay, I cannot do this. Maybe try again. But in fact, it won't work because I need to do restore and recover. If I once again, even if I lost only one control, the control file is always a single point of failure. So it is trying to recover, but it won't be able. In fact, you will see the message, the error message thrown. Just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, you see that in fact the error message saying that it cannot identify control. So let's proceed in restoring it. Of course, you have remember that we have another copy which is not, which was good, but we are not sure whether it will work completely. I have two methods. Well, we can try with this method as well. But the most secure method, of course, is to restore the control file. So we will do it right now. We have backup. Okay. Okay. And now uh, I can do startup mode. Okay. It will mount database and we'll try to open it and we will see. We shall see whether it will work. Okay. And now I can do auto database mount and auto database open. Of course, I need to do a reset log. Why I need to do reset logs? Because the sequence in the control file is not the same as the sequence in data level headers, and that is why I need to make equal the two, and that's why I need to do open reset logs. Okay, but that's not true. I need to do a recover of database. Why I need to do a recover of database? It will be clear more here. If I do select checkpoint, check, there are several reasons. And change z from data file headers. The all files are fuzzy, so recovery is needed. Again. Okay, and then we'll see that are the data files again fuzzy. They're not fuzzy anymore, and they've been recovered. Remember that the sequence is not the same as a couple of minutes before. So now, hopefully, I will be able to recover and to recover my database. I'll recover and to open my database again with reset logs because the sequence is not the same in the control file header as this one. To be sure, just take please backup of control file, for example, control file, and we can see the checkpoint sequence here, for example, or this one or this one. So I have been which one I had the most recent, this one. This one, so it has been recovered with this checkpoint sequence, but this is not the same as we saw before in data control file, in data files, data file header. So I need to do a recover and open reset logs. So I will do it now. Okay, so the database is open. Just remember one thing. I did exactly as I would do if I have lost all the control files, two or even more if I have them. So the other possibility could be to try to reuse the other one, the other file that we didn't corrupt. Here we have shown exactly what will happen if you lose the one control file, or even if you lose all control file. I hope this is good. Thanks for watching this first episode.